Can I help you, sir? Okay, well, this is private property. You have to leave immediately.
Okay, I will. I'm not. You don't need to get all jacked up about it.
No, I'm getting jacked up because what are you doing?
I'm just sitting here.
Yeah, this isn't your private property. This is ours. All right, get the out of here.
Get the out of here.
Yeah, try me.
Keep walking home.
Yeah, well, keep walking home. This isn't your home.
I got severe sciatica.
I don't give a what you got.
Do you think this guy overreacted? I mean, that guy was pretty old. He could have had dementia and forgot where he was at.
Hurry up!
I live up on River Road.
Well, get there!
I'm getting there.
Hurry up! You shut the up! You don't yeah! Hurry the up! You!
Who is that on the front porch?
I have no idea. This guy's just sitting here. I have no idea.
I started talking to him. I thought maybe it was Tommy or somebody that was coming to work. It's just some old guy sitting on the front porch.
Yes, sir. I'm tired of people invading our property.
Dude, yeah, I'm like,
I'll let them know. I know Dr. Chastain. Hurry up. We're closed. Two. Sorry,
what
Shane.
was he saying?
Good job, Rudy.
He said
I know, but what was he saying about me?
money. Hey, bro. It's all
Do you think he overreacted?
good. God.
Please leave feedback.
These